So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Chainlink, ticker symbol LINK on Kraken. Once you open up Kraken, go to this bottom bar, press on the Explore icon, then at the top press on search and type in ticker symbol LINK or link. Under search results, press on Chainlink right here. Once you're on Chainlink, go to the bottom, press on buy Chainlink, then type in the amount you're looking to buy. So for example, if you wanted, I don't know, $15, for instance, for this example, type in the amount, then go to the right, press on the purple icon or the purple arrow. Then once you're here, you can review the amount it'll cost, the price, the Kraken fee, and the total. And if you want to proceed, all looks good, then go to the bottom, press on confirm, and proceed that way with your transaction. Very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Chainlink on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.